Hello,
Okay. Hello. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing great and everything is going well. What about you? How are you?
I am also fine. Thank you for asking. Here we are meeting first time. Shall we start?
Of
Should you
course, why
start?
not?
Tell me something about yourself.
My name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, so I done graduation in English literature. Apart from my whole two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I'm a homemaker and home tutor and YouTuber. I just start my YouTube channel. Its name is Shine with Vikita, where I upload conversation video and I bless with one son. That's a pretty about me.
There was something happened. I was unable to show you and as well as listen. I think your internet has gone earlier.
Now it's okay.
Now everything is fine.
Okay, so shall I start first?
Yes, you should start.
Okay. So my name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, so I done graduation in English literature apart from my whole two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I'm a homemaker and home tutor and
Let me give.
YouTuber.
Let me give 1 minute.
Mhm.
Let me give 1 second only. Someone is calling. I don't know who was that person. Actually, I sent a message in that group, so that's why one person was calling me.
Okay. Now it's okay?
Now,
Okay. My name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, I done graduation in English literature apart from my whole two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I am a homemaker and home tutor. I run my YouTube channel. Its name is Shine with Vikita, where I upload conversation video and related English content. And I bless with one son. That's pretty about me.
okay. So now should I introduce myself
Of course,
to
could
you?
you please introduce
Okay, here,
yourself?
as you know, yes, yes. As you know, my name is Noordin Khan, and I'm from UP, district Baghpat. So if I talk about my English journey, it's going well because I took admission in a coaching center, so that's why I'm going there. Earlier I was going there, but nowadays I'm not going there because I'm busy with my study. So that's why I'm not going there. And if I talk about my goal, I want to be a defense person. If I talk about my hobbies, I like to listening music and to reading some books and to explore some new things. That's all about myself. If you want to ask anything, so you may ask.
Glad to know about you. Are you joining any class to learn that language?
Yes, yes, I have joined earlier, but nowadays I'm not going there. I had to
Okay,
learn, you can say, grammar for that,
okay,
as well as I
okay.
was practicing with uh, friends.
Yeah, that's great. Did you mention your hobbies reading book? How you
Yes.
means when you start your reading journey?
When I was in my 12th class at that time, since then I
Mhm.
am reading some book. I
Okay,
purchased two to three books.
so how many books did you read?
I read almost three book something.
Okay,
First one was that The Subconscious Mind.
okay.
That was first book.
And the second and third?
Second name was The Teacher and the Teach. There
Okay.
is mention lots of story.
Okay. I
Yeah,
also
and
purchased a book. Of course, I also start my
yeah,
reading
go ahead.
journey. I purchased two book, Atomic Habit and Power of Subconscious Mind. I start with Atomic Habit, and then I will read
That
Power
is
of
good thing.
Subconscious.
That is good thing to improve your English. So
Yeah.
since when are you learning spoken English as you are here?
Uh, it's around 6 months ago I started my journey. I can say.
So did you take any coaching for that as you said that you are learning spoken English? Have you joined any coaching center to learn grammar?
No, I learn on my way.
Maybe you have
So
learned through the YouTube or somewhere else.
right through the YouTube, I can say
Yes.
there are the
So what about
plethora
your
of
YouTube channel?
content. I want to say there are the plethora of content available in YouTube, so we can easily learn.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, right.
We can learn whenever we want to get something, so we can get
Mhm.
through the YouTube easily.
Right.
Everything is
Mhm.
on YouTube.
Yeah, we can easily get. Please tell me about. Do you also means you join also classes and you also learn your way? So what? Which is better for you? Join classes, learn in your way.
What
Spoken English.
you can say, you can say if you are unable to understand and if you cannot speak properly, if you don't have any way, like you can start. You
Mhm.
should go a coaching center. Then teacher would guide you. Then you should do this. You should do this. then if you are capable for that, you can understand easily, and as well as you can speak somewhere, but you are not good in that, you can go your way. This is my opinion. When I was in my 12th class, before that, I was unable to speak, even though I could not understand properly because I
Mhm.
was Hindi medium. That's why I
Mhm.
had to take a coaching. So that's why I was going there earlier.
Of course,
Sorry,
also
who
like
cannot understand? Yes.
of course, I'm also in my native or study in my native language. It is a little bit difficult. We can understand. We are
Yeah,
not
somewhere you
understand
can
all
say.
the things, right?
Whenever we start, suppose we are unable to understand. If we are talking with someone else, they fed up with talking to us. They
Right.
don't want to talk with us. I
Right.
have also faced this problem when I was in my 12th. When I
Mm-hmm.
started it, at that time I was unable to speak. I was unable to understand. At that time, I took admission in, you can say, English ERE. That was the application. Maybe you have heard that application.
Yeah, I
So I
heard.
used to talk with tutor there. Sometimes they used to say that you are unable to speak now, but you should work on your vocabulary. And I did.
Mm-hmm. How many sessions did you collect there?
I took almost 11 to 12 session. One
Mm.
session I missed there because I was unable there at that time.
Oh, that's great. Of course, the English area, like all the tutors are best, and they give the most of they give the feedback. It is very important to improve our level. They give
Yeah,
feedback, right? I also think I will
yeah, I
start.
have also
I
given
will.
that.
I want to join, but after some time of period after that, I will join.
So
Yeah.
earlier days, you haven't joined any app where you can
No,
talk with people.
no, I am not join
Okay.
any app. I only join. Uh, I only I only talk through the audio call. It's like CV application. Now I use a peer app application where I connect to the people through audio
Okay.
call.
These application are free
Ah,
or
yeah, of
no?
course,
We have
free.
to take.
Peer app is
Okay.
totally free at 24 hours. We can speak anyone anytime.
So how long have you been using these application?
CV
What you
application,
mentioned.
whenever I started my journey, that time I use. Now, and in this application, we can use only 30 minutes. Now, that time I am not aware of peer app, but now I am aware of peer app. Now I installed that application 1 week ago, and now I start
Okay.
talking through the peer app.
I have seen many people who don't know about these application as well as
Mhm.
me. I know other application, but didn't know about those applications. From where did you find that
Peer app, of course,
application?
I can easily install through like on Play Store, and easily we can talk each other.
No, if we are going to search on the, you can say search bar in the Play Store, there will
Hmm.
be lots of application. We must know about that. This one application is beneficial for us.
No,
So
peer up is only one application. You can easily
okay,
find.
that's nice.
Mhm.
So
So
what do
please,
you have to do?
means.
What do you have to do in your life that you means as you are learning spoken English,
Hmm.
as you are taking some conversation videos, accepted these ones. Where do you practice? With whom?
Of
Do
course,
you have any
not.
friend or Jover? You can
Yeah,
say.
of course.
Yeah, go ahead.
I listen. I love to listen. So I listen conversation video podcast show whenever I do home chores, many things. And I also love to like reading. So I love read. I do shadowing practice. And I also believe in active listening. Whenever I free, I try to active listening. And I do the peer app. And I also 1 year to WhatsApp group. Sometime I free, so I also join that group.
Okay, and how did you know about that this group as you joined that group?
It's like our
From
friend
where did
circle
you?
group. It's like a female group and our friend circle group. It's like 6 months ago I joined that group.
I joined it
Mm.
recently. You can say before 15 days something maybe.
Oh,
One teacher was that his name I forgot that teacher name, but he joined me.
that group.
He was
Miss,
yes,
of
yes.
course, I also that group joined only 1.5 month ago. But I told about another group that is only female group and WhatsApp group.
So did you have to pay for that?
No, they are only
So you
co-learner. No,
joined free of cost.
they are only co-learner. Anyone know like a host the and tutor. We can
But there
like
are lots of YouTuber who are very big. You can say they have that much subscriber on their channel.
Yeah,
Krishma Chauhan. She is very big YouTuber, you can say. She is
yeah,
also in
right.
that group.
No.
Why not?
Mhm.
She is in that group. Haven't you seen that?
Oh, miss this group? Of course, I can see, and I also
Yes.
message her, and I also took conversation with him, with her. Sorry, but I told about in my female group, so that's why I say no. Okay.
Okay.
In
And how
YouTuber
was
group,
your
I
experience to talking with Krishma ma'am?
it was amazing. I can say I feel little bit hesitant, but after that I feel
Yeah,
comfortable
because
and I complete.
if I talk about Krishma ma'am, she speaks very, you can say very loudly and very, you can say very speed. So
Uh,
sometimes
uh,
we are unable to understand that.
he's like now advanced level speaker, so he can speak easily. That's why.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yeah, because she is learning English since you can say 6 to 7 years something maybe. That's why she has
Around
that much
three four
experience for that.
years, 3 4 years around. She learned. Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. She is learning almost 4 years something.
3 4
Okay.
years. Oh.
And what about your YouTube channel as you mentioned about that? From where did you hear about that you should make a YouTube channel and you should upload some English conversation videos on that? And is there any benefit to use
Yeah, of
to have
course.
a YouTube channel?
After 6 months, my learning journey, after that, I realized now I am capable to learn that I am capable to express my thought easily. So I should start my channel. In this way, I started my channel, and it is going well still now, and I'm happy with that. And it helps me to improve my level. Every day, I interact with a stranger person, and I try to accumulate more knowledge from that. I'm happy with that. And most
Okay,
thing,
how does a
I built
YouTube
my
channel help us?
confidence. I built my
Okay, that is
confidence.
the
That
good
is
thing.
more
Yes,
thing.
I also gained that much
Mhm.
confident. Earlier, I had a YouTube channel that was other one.
Mm.
At that time, I had fear that to talking with people. I was unable
Mm.
to talk with people, but now I
Mhm.
can talk with easily. I
Yeah, right.
removed my fear.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
it's
Yeah,
beneficial for that.
right. Yes, sir. Okay. Where do you start your YouTube channel? When you start?
This one or second one?
This one.
Actually, I had two YouTube channels. This one I have started it. You can say before 4 to 5 months.
Okay.
When I thought
Yeah.
that I can speak now easily, I can talk with people. Then I started it. I used
Yeah,
to
of
teach
course.
some grammar rule earlier. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
and I used to make some you can say vlog with my friend. He is also
Mm-hmm.
learning spoken English with me.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is
We
best
used to
things.
debate on
Yeah,
we used
yeah.
to debate on a particular topic.
It is a big thing. You don't need to find partner. You can easily find. So
Yes.
you don't need
No,
to
earlier
use
I had
any
fear.
app.
That's why. Yes, yes. Earlier I had fear that I was unable to talk with people. That's why I
Mm-hmm.
said to my friend that you can go with me. Then we can have a conversation. You can say we can debate on a particular topic. Then we can upload that. Earlier I used
Okay.
to debate only with my friend.
Oh,
I haven't taken any subscribe. I haven't taken any conversation videos with people. I have
so
started it. You can say since before 5 to 6 days only something.
oh, why didn't you start conversation video before when you start your channel?
No, yeah, before that, because I had fear that I was unable to speak properly at that time as well. That's why I did make.
So that time, what do you do? Did you upload short video?
I used to upload some short videos related to some science videos. You can say I used to get generated through the Gemini and ChatGPT as well. Then I
Okay,
used to edit them and to upload my YouTube channel.
that's great. Of course,
Yes, I was
most of
learning
people
editing
start with the
somewhere.
short video and then they
Yes, yes.
convert into long video. But I'm different person. I start with the long video and now I start upload short video from today. Miss
Okay.
yesterday. From yesterday I started
What kind
my
of short
short
video
video.
do you upload? What
I
kind of short video do you upload?
It's a related vocabulary. I choose one words and after that I give the meaning and I give the synonyms and I give the example.
What about your YouTube channel? How many subscribers do you have? As you mentioned that.
It is going well and it is 306 subscriber I have.
That is good thing, but I have only you can say 118 subscribers something.
Of course,
Because
it
I
is not
uploaded
matter.
because I'm learning spoken English. Maybe I would have lots of subscriber in future. if I would be
Yeah,
continue.
yeah. I also understand. Tell you them. Now it's not need to how to increase subscriber. Now we need only how to improve our level and how to improve our skill.
Yes, yes.
That is most important
Yeah,
now. I also
subscriber
focus
would
on if you are good speaker, so you don't need to work on it. It is automatically increase.
yes, yes.
So now only we have to
Yeah,
work on our personality and our communication skill. After that, it's automatically increase all the things.
yes. What all effort do you have to do for to improving our English?
I do shadowing practice. I listen a lot and I do reading sometime.
Are you not
And
reading
I
any?
what?
I was asking that. Are you not reading any book nowadays as you are learning English?
I read one book. I started with Atomic Habit. I started only 1 week
Okay.
ago, so I completed 28 page only. And I also writing into. So whenever I get time, so I try. I write. I love to write.
There are you can say 2 to 3 options that we when we read a book. Then so what you can say? How do you read them? So many
Okay.
people read them only read them, and
Mhm.
some people write a difficult word and they find a their meaning, and some people only read them carefully only.
No, I'm not only
They want
reading.
to improve their
No,
reading
I'm
power
not.
only.
I'm not on in
And
only improve my reading skill. I want to if I come across that words which I am not aware of. I go to Google's and I try to find the meaning. I jot it down. In this way, I
okay,
started my reading practice. If
maybe do you
I
also you can say
Mhm.
translate them
Of course,
Hindi
and
to English or
sometime
English to Hindi?
of course sometime the some sentence I am not aware of the what is the meaning of that sentence. I also use ChatGPT.
Yes.
I write down that sentence on ChatGPT and I find the meaning. This way I started reading.
Yeah, I also use it when I
Mhm.
was, you can say, when I started it at that time, I was reading English newspaper, The Hindu, that one,
Mhm.
and
Mhm.
as well as I was reading some book as well. When I
Mhm.
got some difficult word, then I used to use Gemini. It's Chat
Yeah,
GPT, you can
right.
say.
I also use that, but it is not. I don't like so much need. Sometime it happens in a day. Whenever I read
Yeah,
1 year 2 3 page, some words like 1 year 2 words, I'm not aware of that, so I can like jot it down that word.
yes. Yes. Okay, do you want
So,
to ask anything?
of course,
Yes,
apart
go
from
ahead.
speaking, what do you do to improve your level?
I am preparing for my exam, so I have to take some classes for that. Now my
Mhm.
exam is about to come, you can say, after 12 days. My exam would help. So that's
Hell,
why I'm preparing for that.
which exam?
I have joined a NDA, National Defense Academy.
Okay,
Yes, I have
yeah,
joined a library, so I study there.
that's great.
As
Okay,
well as I
now.
took admission in BA. Yes,
Okay. Which subject?
B.
There is
Yes, yes,
one
I
main
have
subject,
chosen.
right?
Yes,
Which
yes, I
subject
have
do
chosen
you?
history,
Mhm.
polity. Yes, yes, I am telling you. I have taken history, polity, and English.
So why are you don't choose English, the main subject?
No, because that I thought that because I am reading and I am improving my English as well as I am learning grammar. So maybe it's very beneficial to me because I
Mhm.
can study that.
That's
I
great.
am studying, that's why I took that. Yes.
Oh, that's great. Now in my side completed. If you have, so you can ask me.
No, I don't have any question. What
So
I had, I asked you.
also it was amazing session and I enjoy literally and thank you so much for giving your precious time.